Hey everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we are going to explore the masterpiece awaiting us from Captured by Radiance. That's right. We're going to dive in at the time of this video. This is a sneak peek. You're going to get this beautiful box that is green. It's so stunning with all of the sparkle and shine. And then, of course, up here it has the Captured by Radiance masterpiece awaits. It's just absolutely gorgeous. On the bottom, oops, wrong way. On the top, it's going to show you what we're going to dive into. Let's get down and dirty. Okay. Oh, I'm going to need some scissors. This came in a box on top of this box. So you are going to get it in a stunning way where it comes directly to you. Now, as we pull it out, what's unique about Captured by Radiance is it comes in this organza bag, cutting down on the plastic that we are putting into our world. This is Captured by Radiance, so there's no question on where this design is from. Now, this is from Mikey Bergman. I completed one of this artist's canvas recently for our Blinging in the New Year 2026. This artist is absolutely stunning. It has the soft lint backing, as you can see. It also has the wonderful serged edges. So if your canvas decides to be naughty, then you're going to be just fine. Okay, so we're going to unroll this. Look at this beauty. Okay, so you've got snap insurance. So if you have spills, if somehow you have missing drills, which I've yet to have, you can contact for great customer service. Now, as you can see already, this is a beautiful canvas. You're going to have flowers, whatnot. So we're going to unroll this a little bit, and voila! It's the sticker sheets. And this is JW Fairie-36. This is going to be stunning. It has 86,400 drills. Look at those wings. Oh my gosh. And it is a 60 by 90. And as you can see here in the sticker sheet, it has 66 colors. Now, if you look at the back of the numbers, okay, so you're starting with up here the DMC numbers. You're going to go all the way down to the end, and it's going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 specials in this. So we're going to dive into those specials and see what is in here. This is absolutely stunning. And what I love about this sticker sheet is you've got your stickers that you can kit up, but over here you can put this sticker in your log journal, or you can put it in your the front of your kitting up, and this sticker actually comes off on its own, so that's also a great little thing. Okay, so we're gonna keep unrolling. Here are her petite feet. We're going into her beautiful dress. Get the sticker sheet out of the way as we continue to unroll her beautiful dress. Now, because this is poured glue, we are going to be able to roll it the other direction. So right here's your kit, your toolkit, and we've got 2 packages of drills, but I want to roll this the opposite direction. This is self-flattening. However, it can take, 3 to 5 minutes, and I don't think you want to just watch canvas lay flat, right? Is that like, what do you call it? Watching paint dry? Okay, so here is this beauty. Oh my gosh, she is absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning. And like I said, it is poured glue. It has the heavier sheet on it. You've got your thumbnail up here at the top. You have at the top who it's by. And you can tell here, this is not an incorrect print. They actually have this upside down in the upper right corner. So if you do things upside down because the canvas is bigger than you would like, it's facing you. And then down here, you've got it the other direction. So you've got two different keys facing two different ways depending on which way your canvas is at. Now, let's get into the canvas itself. You can see here the symbols are extremely clear, even in the darker areas. Now, I always use a light pad, even if they're clear, because I just like to see what I've laid down and what I haven't. Like I said, this is a 60 by 90, absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's dive into some of these beautiful drills as we're waiting to do these. Oh, I absolutely loved on my last piece doing the fairy wings. All right, so crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. This is square for my square buddies out there. All right, so, and it comes in the order of the DMC numbers. And these are absolutely stunning. As you can see, there's no tags in the bags. The tags are like little, like you have a skin tag or something. This is a resin tag, right? These are all resin drills, which is going to give you those vibrant colors without being overwhelmingly outside the realm of what the colors are supposed to be. Sometimes pigments can be off if they're trying to do bright colors. So here's some more of the colors right here. Now, if you want, you could either kit this up in a container set, or you can take your sticker sheet and actually put your sticker right here and kit up in one of those sit-up baggie holders that we see that we love from all of our amazing small businesses. Okay, so we're going to look at some more of the colors. Absolutely stunning. Here you can see, oh, I love that. 902, look how rich that is. My goodness, I'm trying not to overwhelm myself and put these, just trying to put them back in a cohesive way. Okay, so we've got a lot of 939 here. We have 3 here, and I don't know if we have more. No, we don't have any more in this set. So we've got 3 939s, and it looks like we have 2 823s. Let's see how many 310s. I passed over that. Yeah, so there's no 310s. So all the dark colors are from that 823. Excuse me, right here. And it also has the label right here. So captured by Radiance, Mikey Bergman, and then square 009. And then that is what it says up here. The MB is for Mikey Bergman, and then here's your SQ009. SQ means square. Okay, now this is package 2. This is going to be the package that has all the pretties, well, the extra pretties, right? Okay, Jen, try to figure out how to open this. There we go. I always say I can never work in one of these packaging companies because I would never get it right. Let's jump to the specials. Oh, these purples are stunning. Okay, so we're going to start here. 57. All right, so here are your dust drills. Now, these are called, for captured by Radiance, unicorn dust, unicorn poop, whatever you want to call it. But what dust is you can see, let's look at the purple because you can see it better with the purple. is it's got a mica powder in it. You can see there that little glistening on the tops of the drills. I'm going to try and put it in the tray so you can see it just a little bit better. Let me get to the toolkit in a minute. So it gives it a shimmer. I like to use the word shimmer because the ABs give that little sparkle. This gives a shimmer. So right here you can see there's that mica powder, that little bit of shimmy, 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 just enough to catch the light differently and give you that flare that you're looking for. Okay, so here we've got this color is all in the wings and some in her dress. Then we have 58, which is 550. And this is all throughout the flowers. So this rich purple in here, I'm going to show you this rich purple down here, all through the flowers, the purple here, and then on the other side there's much more, and there's some butterflies too that this is in. Then you've got 3778. That's so cute. Look, it is a person walking. Number 59, a person walking. It's the walk sign. Okay, let's see where we've got the walk sign out here. Where do we want these drills? Okay, thank you for your patience. It took me a while to find it, but it is here in the fairy wings. It was like a Where's Waldo? Oh my goodness. So it's here in the fairy wings. It could have bit me. It really could have. Okay, so now we're going to do 3830. This is the push pen, and that is also here throughout the wings and through some of the flowers. Then we have 3838. That is like the power button sign. So this is here and then down through here in her dress, here through her dress and through some of the flowers. Now we have 50. We did 59. Yep, that's the Where's Waldo guy. So then now we're going to AB. AB is what we're pretty much used to with the sequence sparkle. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to do the rewind or fast forward sign. For the purple, again, it looks like it's all up here in the wings, and then it's a lot in the flowers down here. Absolutely gorgeous flowers that you see there. And then the 919 is the little rivers. That is here in her flowers in her hair. Absolutely gorgeous. And then over here in some of these flowers in front of her. And then we're going to go to the crystals. Beautiful, beautiful crystals. Absolutely stunning. And we're going to do the little flag. Let me see where the flags are. Here, flaggy, flaggy. Okay, they're all in here in this area. So it's going to be rich in the foliage. Then we're going to have this beautiful green color right here, and that is the little fire sign. Let's see where the fire is. Fire, fire, pants on fire. No, no, no. No, no, no. We're not going to have any pants on fire here. I'm pretty sure it's in the foliage. I like to use the crystals to bring the light in. Yes, all through here. Right through here in the foliage. And then we've got a yellow moon. That is going to be the same area. I believe I saw it. Where did you go, little moon? Yep, here. So right out through here, which the whisking feather of her dress. So beautiful, stunning. You've got 10 specials, 3 different types. This is a great kit for those who want to jump into the specials. Then you're going to get a random washi tape in your kit with your wax. You're going to get some blue wax. Remember back in the day, now I'm old. In the diamond painting world, everybody wanted to get their hands on blue or yellow wax. You're going to get your single placer. You're going to get a squishy that you can put on your placer. Of course, your sharp tweezers. Be careful. Then you're going to get a 4 placer and a 7 placer. It actually has the little numbers here if you angle it in the light. And then what I love about Captured by Radiance is they give you a cover minder with real crystals and stones. So this is quartz, absolutely beautiful. And they come in all shapes and sizes depending on what you're buying. And this one is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And this is funny because it stands up. You could actually have it as a washi tape holder so you don't lose your washi tape. And then of course you get your white tray. So I just wanted to show you, this is an absolutely stunning piece. Please go check it out. You will not be disappointed. And Mikey's fairies are beautiful, and Captured by Radiance does an amazing job of making his artwork just really, really shine. And Captured by Radiance does a wonderful job of making Mikey's artwork shine. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and tell me what is your favorite Captured by Radiance down in the comments, because I will want to go check that out myself. Bye-bye.